Okay, so we're still moving it up and we're going to the chest plate.
Yo, just slap my chest like that.
Pretty girl, you're taking your time. Why you do me like this? You know me loving your wine. Pretty girl, you're giving me signs. Then you tell me you don't want me. Can you make up your mind?
What's up, guys?
Alright.
It's early in the morning, so.
Too early for that.
I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know we're here for a good time.
And a long time.
We're here for a good time.
And a long time.
You know we're here for a good time.
Alright, and a long time.
Yo, go ahead and smash the like button right now, smash the comment button right now. Comment down below, notification gang, notification squad, where you're there. Comment down below right now. We got a special video for you guys today, and the special video we have is
how Jamaicans describe human body parts.
Yeah, basically growing up, yeah, they used to come up with some weird words, yo, but it was funny because it's like, when you sit there and
they're
think
just
about
natural.
it, yeah, it's natural to you. Like, you tell somebody like from over here, like in abroad, and they don't even understand what you're saying.
They're like, what?
What are you talking about? Alright, we're gonna get straight into the video. Before we get into the video, I need you to smash the like button, be a part of the family by subscribing, and we're gonna get right into it.
So the first body part is the nose bridge. Where is that, Chad? That's right here.
Right here. But which is crazy to me is it feels like a bridge. It does feel like a bridge. I understand why we said nose bridge. I understand. It feels like a bridge. It's like a bridge going down. You know what I mean?
Okay, the second one is mouth corner.
Mouth corner. See that? Right there, sir.
That's located right here.
Yo, you know what white called yourself?
That's disgusting. Next body part is neck back. Right here. Right here.
Alright, this is the one I never understand.
Neck back?
Neck back. Me never understand.
The back of your neck.
But neck back, I guess we'll make it short because I guess people over here say back of your neck instead of neck back.
Yeah, we just make it shorter. We don't have time.
Yeah, we don't have time. Yeah, we'll talk.
All
yeah.
of that.
I guess we just not have time. We just say, yo, neck back. Yeah, neck back.
Next one is backside. Now that one is a little different because that's this.
We have pushed like that for. Alright.
Demonstrate.
Yeah, so this is the back side.
Your backside.
Backside.
Next one, this is a popular one, hand middle. You know when that's scratching you?
Them say when your hand middle scratch you get money. But you know what time my hand middle scratch me? No.
Sometimes it's true.
No, I feel like a coach.
What?
Coach.
You said coach.
The way I say it is fast. Coach. Coach.
Coach.
It's coach.
Stop saying
it's
it.
Coach.
It's not one word.
It's coach.
It's coach.
Coach.
The next one is your crutches.
Well, that, you know, that's the, you know,
that's
you know,
for the females.
That's for the females.
I will be demonstrating that one for you guys.
Yeah, you know, that's like the female something.
Crutches.
You know, them, we just call it crutches. But, well, you know, when you're talking to a girl, you don't really say, yo, come, you know, like, got some crutches.
Like when you have on clothes and they say the crutch is long, like, it's like, I don't know.
Well,
it's just that area.
For other word, instead of crutches, we call it pum pum.
You would love to say that one. Yeah. Since you love to say that one, you say the next one.
Oh, so the male's female part we call body.
Oh, I hate that word.
Body. I just don't get it.
Before the video, I told Chad that he had to say that one.
Me not get it. Me not get
body?
it. Body.
I wonder why. Who came up with body? Okay, the next one is your foot bottom.
Well, that's the foot bottom, right? That's
don't put it there.
The foot bottom. That one kind of.
Oh, sorry. What's the correct word for foot bottom?
I don't know. Bottom of the foot.
Yeah, I guess.
I guess I'm gonna have to say the bottom of the foot, but we say foot bottom.
I guess.
Hey, let me tell you something. Your mother don't say foot bottom?
What?
Comment down below if your mother don't say foot bottom.
Shut up.
That's a little joke, guys.
Anyways, the next one is back foot. Show them your back foot.
Well, see the back foot here. You have the heel, but it's back foot.
Right here.
Right here.
Back foot,
this is the back foot. You know much time people say, yo, my back foot hurt me. Like, they don't make them say, just say heel. My heel hurt me.
Okay.
I think back foot was originated from the country. Had to be.
Your country.
I'm not country.
Yes, you are.
Danielle thinks country is St. Catherine. Comment down below if you think it's St. Catherine. I'm talking about Spanish Town. I'm not from the country. That's a toad. That's a toad.
You act like a countryman. Okay, so coming right up, we got the knee cup.
Look here. Look here.
Knee cup.
First of all,
Chad knee cup very weak.
this is supposed to name kneecap, and we call it knee cup. But actually, your knee cup sound better though. No, it sound better.
You hear it all your life, so you think
sound
it's
better.
right.
No man, it sound better. Enough time you say me knee cup, I hurt me, you know.
No, you never said that.
No, when I was younger though, when I came here, you have to tell them, hey, my kneecap is hurting me.
Okay, so we're still moving it up, and we're going to the chest plate.
Yo, just slap my chest like that.
Unless you.
No, go ahead. Yo, chest plate, basically, you know, yo, they used to tell us, you know, on the chest, man, you wear your chest, them, you have chicken chest. It's a chest plate here, guys. This is what they call chest plate.
Chest plate. I rub
Back
it.
in the days.
Since I hit it the first time, I rub it now.
Back in the days, I used to have a chicken chest.
Yeah.
Flat. It just flat. It flat.
Okay, so we're staying in this general area, and we're going to the titty.
Titty. Well, titty.
What else?
Yeah, yo, my titty hurt me.
Nobody says that.
Well, I'm saying for a girl.
No girl said my titty hot me. Well, maybe. I don't know why titty would be hotting you though.
Yeah.
Anyways. Taking it back down, and another popular one is punani.
Punani.
Chad's favorite word.
Yeah, me like punani. Punani bad, yo.
I wonder who came up with punani.
I love
I don't
punani
think Jamaicans alone say punani though.
Yeah.
I think all the Caribbean islands say punani.
Yeah, comment down below if you guys say it from a different island. Comment down below. But I feel like punani was way back, because in the old songs they used to talk about punani instead of like pum pum.
Yeah. The next one is your toe point.
Toe point. Me not do that.
Yeah, show me toe point. Oh.
well, you know, back in the days, you know, I used to play soccer, which we call football, and yeah, that's the end of the story.
I knew that story wasn't going anywhere. Okay, our last but not least is your navel string.
Your navel string. We call navel.
You remember when your mother used to say your navel string cut a road? When you used to go out a lot?
No.
Oh my god!
I never get that.
Comment below if you ever heard that. When your mother say if your navel string cuts a road. You never heard that?
I've never heard of that.
Oh my god!
What was it?
If your navel string cuts a road.
Cut a road.
Because you love go out too much.
Oh, it makes sense though. It makes sense. Like, because your mother, you know, like you feel like you're the boss and thing now. When you come back home, your mother will clap you. Yeah.
Comment below all the other body parts you know that us Jamaicans say, but to be in another Caribbean island, tell us some of your body parts.
Yeah, comment down below.
Comment below all the different kind of names that you guys have for your human body parts.
Yeah man, instead of I, we say hi.
Yai.
Yai.
Yai ball.
Yai ball. Me yai ball hurt me.
Nobody says that.
Something in me high ball. Something in me yai ball.
Nobody says that either. Shut up.
Yo, look in there. Something in me high ball. Alright, I'm done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the like button. Comment down below your favorite part, guys. Comment down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video again. We love you guys. Thank you guys for the support. We're gonna do notification gang time right now, and you don't know if you're not a part of notification gang time. You're supposed to comment down below notification. Zoom notification.
How to get part of the notification gang?
Oh, let me tell you. What you do, you need to hit the subscribe button down at the bottom right here. You subscribe button, one little red button, and then when you hit that, then you see the bell. You want to hit the bell, and it must go like this with like two little asterisks right there on the bell. When you do that, now you're part of the notification gang. But when the video pop up on your street, you must click it and comment down below notification. Zoom notification. Oh,
You're so dumb. Anyways, let's get into notification gang.
So the first notification gang shout out goes to
Bella Bell Navis.
Bella Navis. Big up his damn self. We're going right over Danielle's head top.
As usual. Next one goes to Morgan Mitchell.
Morgan Mitchell, big up your damn self. We're going right over Danielle's head top right here.
And last but not least, Nastasia Morgan.
Nastasia Morgan, big up your damn self. You're going right over here, right here. If you want to be a part of notification gang, go rewind it and go, you know.
Hit the bell.
Hit the bell and the subscribe button. You don't know. We have a little surprise we want to show you guys. Danielle's belly right now is growing.
It's huge.
Danielle's belly
look, guys.
is growing. Look. You see a little bump right here, guys. Just a little.
You can't really see it.
Yeah, but it's growing. It's growing. We don't know if it's a boy or a girl right now, so we're gonna anticipate. I'm hoping it's a boy. Danielle's hoping
it's a girl. Tell us what you're hoping for.
Yeah, comment down below. And I want to say thank you guys. Thank you guys for the support. And what you guys want to see next, comment down below. We are house.
Pretty girl, you're taking your time. Why you do me like this? You know me loving your wine. Pretty girl, you're giving me signs. Then you tell me you don't want me. Can you make up your mind?